Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into an incredibly practical topic that influences our daily lives significantly: how to organize your room. Think about it. Your room is like a window into your mind. A messy room can spell a messy mind. Just like a basketball coach wouldn't want to strategize on a cluttered court, you shouldn't function in a chaotic space. It simply doesn't work.
Wow, I love that. So if everything has its designated spot, it's like a well-oiled machine? But what if your room is tiny? Do you have any tips for those of us who aren't rocking a football field-sized room?
Absolutely, great question. Space can be a real hurdle. I often use storage boxes to keep things organized. Think of them as crates on a ship. They secure your belongings and maximize your space. You can slide them under the bed or stack them in a corner. It's also about utilizing vertical space. I once converted a bare wall in my room by adding floating shelves. That not only opened up the floor, but made my room look much cooler.
Ooh, floating shelves. That sounds fancy. So, do you have a system for how you organize stuff on those shelves? Because I feel like it could quickly turn into a total disaster zone if you're not careful.
Definitely. I suggest sorting items by category. Imagine your shelves as a library, each genre in its own section. Books on one shelf, decor on another, and your favorite knickknacks on the top shelf. Speaking of organization, how's your desk looking? Keeping it tidy can really boost your productivity.
Yeah, desks can clutter up so fast. Just last week, I found a half-eaten granola bar under a pile of papers. How did I miss that? Do you have techniques for keeping surfaces tidy on a daily basis?
Ha! A granola bar? I wouldn't recommend storing snacks there. A bit of daily cleaning can work wonders. I've made it a habit to make my bed every morning. It sets a positive tone for the day. When I come back to a nicely made bed, it's one less worry. Plus, it transforms the room's vibe instantly, don't you think?
For sure. Even those little things can end up making a big difference, right? Do you clean the whole space weekly? Or is it more like spot cleaning here and there?
I actually do a bit of both. Weekly, I make time for thorough cleaning, but I also dedicate a few minutes daily to tidying up. Set a timer for just 5 minutes before you hit the bed and tackle the visible chaos. You'd be surprised by how much you can accomplish in that short time. I once tackled a wild, messy closet in 30 minutes by treating it like an emergency drill. Super focused, no distractions.
Wow, 30 minutes? That's impressive. I'd probably take like half a day. But what's your biggest challenge with organization? For me, it's definitely wanting to keep every single item I've ever owned. Like every gift and memory, you know?
The sentimental clutter struggle. I totally understand. It helps to ask yourself if those items truly spark joy, like Marie Kondo suggests. If they don't, maybe it's time to let them go. It's like trimming a bonsai tree. Sometimes, you need to prune a bit for the beauty to shine through.
That's a beautiful thought. Letting go for growth. I cling on to memories a lot. If I wanted to get rid of some stuff, do you have any strategies for that? Laughs.
Start small. Pick one shelf or one drawer and give it a bit of decluttering attention. I remember when I went after my entire closet in one go, it was overwhelming. Tackling it step by step really helped. And about the memories, why not take photos of those items before saying goodbye?
Oh wow, that's actually brilliant. You get to keep the memory without all the physical clutter. But do you think having a clean room really affects how focused you are on your work?
Absolutely. A tidy room promotes a clearer mind, much like a clean canvas inspires better art. When everything is in its proper place, distractions fade away, and creativity flows freely. It's astonishing how much difference a clean space can make.
Oh my gosh, that's so true. I feel like I'm always hunting for my creative spark amidst chaos when really I should uncover that spark through clarity instead. That's so powerful.
Exactly. You're clearly on the right track to making your space an ally in your creative journey. This has been such an enjoyable chat, filled with practical, down-to-earth tips. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. Let's keep our spaces and minds organized and ready for whatever comes next. Until next time.
Yeah, thanks everyone. I can't wait to apply these tips and hopefully turn my room into a creative haven.